I'll start them. Hello everyone, my name is Pierre Weidenes and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Neuraura. I'm thrilled to be part of today's pitch marathon. Neuraura is really about unlocking treatments for brain care with its next generation data. Parkinson, epilepsy, dementia, addiction, depression, 1 out of 3 lives lost to death and disability is due to brain disorders. This is more than cancer and cardiac disease combined, which means that all of us are affected for our friends, family, and loved ones. Now, the economic burden is almost 10% of the GDP in the US, and we are talking about trillions of dollars. And like COVID, the epidemic is growing. So looking at solution today, all we do is manage patients without curing them. Drug options are exhausted, surgery is underutilized, and neuromodulation, which is also called brain pacemakers, is still very nascent. Long-term vision is to enable neuromodulation, becoming the smart implant for every implanted devices. Our beachhead application is a clinical platform for brain monitoring, tailored specifically towards epilepsy surgery. This will provide us with a unique brain data that then inform the next generation of devices. Neuromodulation is the fastest growing field in medical devices. It was estimated to be $9 billion in 2019 and expected to be $16 billion in 2025. The overall market opportunity for neuromodulation is actually 12 times bigger than cardiac pacemakers. So why is that still not mainstream? Well, neurologists around the world today are not able to gather the brain data they need to confidently diagnose and know what to do with their patients. And this is exactly what we change. On the left side, these are the data that doctors are using today to decide which part of the brain needs to be removed or stimulated. On the right side, the results from our animal experiments. Each of our sensors only touch 5 neurons compared to about 40,000 in the legacy sensors. Data are 3 times cleaner to enable better clinical decisions. These data are the keys to permit appropriate diagnosis and treatment. With our accelerated path for the epilepsy market, Neuraura is poised to provide a leap change in neuromodulation. Since incorporating in 2017, we have developed human-scale prototypes of our sensors and hardware and conducted animal studies. The FDA has confirmed an accelerated pathway, which means that our devices do not require to be tested in humans to get approved for market. We have engaged a network of key opinion leaders from UC San Diego, Mayo Clinic, Boston Children's Hospital, or Melbourne in Australia, and 100% of the doctors we speak to are excited to work with us. We have grown our core team of experienced professionals from engineering, business development, and regulatory, and have onboarded new members actually even over the last few months. We have attracted world-class advisors, clinical experts, and business advisors with deep networks and decades of experience in medical devices. And I'm here in front of you today because we are seeking 1 to 2 investors to close our bridge financing that is led by CDL investors like Raymond Zika in Merton, and are already more than 60% committed. Thank you very much.